I'm back with another video. Today, me and my bestie Jasmine, we're gonna go get our toes done. So we're gonna go pick her up and then I'm gonna see you at the salon.
Jasmine. Look at them toes.
Yes.
It's all you, big dog. It's all you, Jasmine.
Bruh, that's embarrassing. I can't believe we got that on camera. I was getting my iPhone in Hawaii.
Bro, Medea is black.
No,
Medea black.
black, but she's not black.
She's black.
White skin.
She's black.
You know what I mean. She's your skin color, but she's a little bit lighter.
Yeah.
Check that.
I'm gonna put your toes on there.
I don't care. My toes ain't ugly, baby.
You mad, ladies?
Don't play me. Do not play me. My toes are not ugly. I've had so many compliments on my toes.
Oh, you have
Don't play.
from your sugar daddy.
I ain't even got one. I'd like to have one. Corey, what the hell she got on? You gotta do
Jasmine.
Put that shit on camera. But you worried about me. Can you steadily call my phone?
Tell them that, sis.
Okay, that's cool. Well, I gotta get off here because my mom calling. Yeah, she calling my phone. Stupid.
Your mama would not even call me.
Hi.
You've been to where?
Target. My first time.
Your first what?
My first time being the fucking Target.
Hey, beautiful people. I am back. I just got home. That's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on your post notification bell. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.